Before we start super fast news about the Dragon Ball Super movie, it turns out that on the new official page of Dragon Ball, a Twitter user just discovered something interesting in the source code of the website. As the code appears in English, the words thumbnail or the logo and the title from the movie. What does this mean? Because there are two possibilities. The first, and that it could be possibly make you happy, is that soon they could already be announcing the logo or the thumbnail of the film and the official title that corresponds to it. Remember that the last Dragon Ball movies had an additional title. For example, Dragon Ball Z, The Battle of the Gods, Dragon Ball Z, The Resurrection of Frieza, and the most recent, although summarized Dragon Ball Super Broly, have the title. And after this new film, it would reveal a little more about the plot that it could correspond to him again film. For example, let's say that the movie is titled Dragon Ball Super Cooler, as it would obviously imply that it was a good cooler. That is the first possibility interrupting the source code. The second option, and that is also valid, is that it is only the code of the current title and then alternative that already appears on the page. Well, now let's start with the development of this new video. Everything what we would see in the next chapter of Dragon Ball Super episode number 73, a premiere on June 20, like every month, a few days after the premiere from the manga. I share 5 possible advances that we could see soon, taking into account how was the development of the current chapter number 72. Let's start number 1. Goku Sharia of his bros, and there in Blue God Ultra Instinct, if we already saw the one of his bros, yeah, Indians of Goku trying the Misa, no we but still not being granular enough, then the most logical thing is that now the sequence shows us the Ultra Instinct combined with the Super Saiyan Blue. But of course, this also does not ensure that Goku will go and obtain the victory against the Seeds no longer, since we still don't know how powerful Granular really is, and Goku too is experiencing the combination of his My Daughter, I Have Q and Super Saiyan Blue. By what the odds of falling back to your opponent are still high, as Vegeta had already warned also. So before it seems that Goku is still not familiar with using the Ultra Instinct in base mode at 100%, therefore use it with the level of the gods is also a premature idea on the part of the Kakareto number 2. The gas would reach the cereal planet. In fact, they are already quite close. The 2 remaining members were rapidly approaching the planet, and their arrival will further fuel the plot of the hit organization. Hopefully this time includes some flashback scenes from hit 40 years ago. Since remember in the episode mention was made that something happened in that time that left gas with a bad taste in the mouth. The Heat's younger brother had an altercation 40 years ago, leaving him very bad memories. I still believe that pure gas maybe have had a confrontation with the Frieza, since according to him it is only gas which is capable of being above. The Emperor of Evil number 3, Vegeta, discovers the past of the Granular. The prince, while watching Goku's battle against Granular, was smartly collecting information about Granular and its planet, apparently reducing the origin of the race of the CDs. No longer a curious detail is that the vignette in which Vegeta looked at the destroyed Granola City, which is very similar to the back cover of one of the volumes of the manga, in which Vegeta, Galactic Petrolman, observed from above an incredibly granular like city, but obviously without being in ruins. What a tremendous similarity that Toyo made Tarot. I do not think it was a pure chance, and well, the most likely thing is that for the next episode, Vegeta, I finished deciphering the identity of Granola, and with that information, you can reveal some interesting facts. Number 4, Vegeta versus Grain Poetry ideally is that Vegeta also have its battle turn. This lead us that surely Goku can lose again against Big Wave, and this because Granola could knock you unconscious, Kakaroto again attacking him at a vital point, so he would now be the prince's turn to enter the battle, except that he is now previously observed the combat and having collected information on Granola, which would be much more prepared than the Goku. This reminds me of the battle against Hit in the Tournament of Universes 6 and 7 when Vegeta was the first in face Hit while Go watch and learn the killer's move legendary such that when Vegeta lost he tells what he prepared something similar. It could happen now but instead of Goku it would be a Vegeta that surprises us after study Granola. And finally, number 5, Goku and Vegeta reveal the truth to Granola is very clear that if the battle of Goku and Vegeta against the Great Wave is happening during the first stage of the saga, because Granola will not be the ultimate villain, so surely the Saiyan will be achieved, established, effective communication with the Excrees, no longer making him see reason that they had absolutely nothing to do with the establishment of their race. But what I hope is that I also tell you about Frieza about this. Really, if he is still alive, the Granola ambition may remain over, eliminate the Frieza, but may end up forgiving at best, aligning with the genes. But if Granola will not be the final enemy, so who is it? Let us remember that the mystery of Android 73, so something with it could happen maybe eventually. We will be attentive to any news. And good among other newses today, also your Tarot shared his monthly drawing for the category of characters that did not appear in Dragon Ball Super. Once the teacher draws a Mary with a fighter from the other world originating from the western area of universe, which is an anthropomorphic dragon, as all points out. Tarot, its appearance is similar. There you give this character loss before they are Goku in the semi-finals of the Otherworld tournament. And good friends, up to here the Dragon Ball Super News for the moment. As always, thank you for watching this video and until next time.